Kebbi, from Kogi, from Ekiti, from Sokoto, from Edo, from Cross River. Thank you all very much for coming to the Center of Excellence. I think they deserve another round of applause. It's Monday morning, and they decided to come and honor all of your traditional institutions, here in Lagos, and to further cement their relationship using this forum as good conduct. The members of the Board of Trustees of the National Council of Traditional Rulers of Nigeria, especially the Chairman, Co-Chair, His Eminence Alhaji Muhammad Abubakar, CFR, the Sultan of Sokoto, and His Imperial Majesty Oba Adeyeye Togunwusi Ojaja, Second CFR, the Oni of Ife. I want to thank God for all of you, for the unity, for the peace, for the coverage and the brothership that are in between the two of you. Thank you. We can see your leadership also being put forward. This has been your own breaking, and we're happy with what we're seeing. But of course, to use the chairman of the National Coordinating Committee, Alhaji Dr. Yahya Abubakar, CFR, the HSUP, and other members of the committee, to also thank all of our traditional rulers. Please, I want to thank all of you that have come here. I do not want to imagine and break protocols. I want to thank all of you that have come from far, from wide, and I give you all big Lagos greetings, especially all my own from Lagos. You won't be upset that I can't get from my Yongori to my Lara to my Legusi to Nistabe to I'm trying to do for them Odiru and all of you. All the caps look the same, so I'm trying to figure it out. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very, very much for coming. To all of our other invitees, captains of industry and other government support people, thank you very much. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly a pleasure and an honor for me to welcome all of you